dessert style. So first, you take 2 crackers like this and put it down on the counter. And then you want to take a pie like this one, put it on top like that, and then you put the last slice on top, and boom. Now just push it slowly, like so, like that, and boom, you have your dessert. Bon appetit. Oh, crunch. Wow. This is the nicest little thing I ever made. It just fell. My very good. It's very good. Look. Now, I think this might be the best meal I ever ate in my life. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, it's very good. You should try it at home. Try it at home. Last piece. Give me another. Some icy cold water. That might be the best meal I ever had in my life. Try this at home, guys. Very good.